Part two, they are missing you and everyone is starting to notice it. So you took back your power and you stepped into a role which you were quite, shocked about. But this individual's behavior forced you into growth. It forced you into stepping into a newfound version of you that you weren't used to, but you grew comfortable in this new version of you. You were more bold, you were more confident, you're putting yourself out there. And I feel for some of you that you may have disconnected from, maybe the same people that you both know. And you may have disconnected from this individual also. So if it was a situation whereby you were in connection with this person online, that came to an end. You stopped communicating and you poured all your energy into you. You poured all your energy, or Spirit is urging you to do this, to pour all your energy into your projects, into your goals, into your self-growth, into your hobbies, getting to know you, loving you the way that you deserve to be loved, treating yourself, taking yourself out on those dates that you always wanted to go on. You focused on your finances, and for some of you, unfortunately, you may have felt like the situation between yourself and this person was not going to manifest. Maybe in the past you saw this individual as a King of Pentacles, someone that was reliable, someone that was stable, someone that was grounding, someone that you can actually have a relationship with, someone that will be loyal and understanding, someone that you can build with. These thoughts started to dwindle from your mind. It's almost as if you became the version that you wanted to see in this actual person. And you put this person at the bottom of your list. Maybe they were a priority to you in the past. But now you are focusing on becoming your number one priority. It's almost as if the role started to reverse between yourself and this individual. Whether they were aware of how they were treating you or not became a theme for you. You begun to prioritize yourself and your needs the way this person was doing so in the past. This person was thinking of themselves. They weren't really thinking of how their actions would actually affect you. And I feel for some of you, you started to forget about this individual. You started to enjoy life again. You freed yourself from that emotional turmoil, from the guessing, from the waiting. You may have appeared to this individual as someone that was very sneaky. You see, maybe in the past you didn't trust this individual. And in the now or in the future, this individual will start feeling as if they cannot trust you. And again, it's because the roles have reversed. You have now begun acting how this person was acting in the past. And for some of you, you may be doing this intentionally. For others of you, you're so self-focused that you're not even aware that you're coming across as someone that is up to no good. And I feel that half of you, or majority of you, are not up to no good. You're actually just focusing on you. You're focusing on your pentacles. You're focusing on your finances, your stability. Some of you could be in the middle of a home move. You are very busy right now. And this person feels as if you're doing the most. They feel as if you are out there dating, connecting with others. They feel as if you have forgotten about them. And again, there's an energy of this person wanting to reach out, but they won't, because pride will get in the way. And there's an energy of others that may feel as if, okay, this person is now available and they will try and make a move, but they will be met with blockages and embarrassment. Because again, this person may feel all up in their head. There's a heavy fixation on them thinking that you are connecting with someone. Heavy fixation. And because of this actual fact, they're going to be closed off from any advances from others. They will choose not to reach out with the 8 of Wands in the reverse, but they will fixate on what they think that you are doing when you're not even doing it anyway. 7 of Swords in the reverse. This individual is going to become more open, you know, or there's going to be an energy of them feeling like they miss an opportunity for being more open and transparent with you. But they will feel as if the situation has come to an end and it's no fault but their own. You are going through a transformation. This individual is going through a transformation. And it may feel quite uncomfortable, but it is very necessary because things could not continue the way that they were. You are going to go into hermit mode and this person is going to be forced into hermit mode. If this individual done things in the past, and I feel like what they may have done to you was be quite closed off, and you were forced to put an end to this actual situation and walk away. And this individual, believe it or not, is being forced to be more emotionally available and open. This is actually something they are uncomfortable about. There's also an indication here of others trying to hover around, entice this individual with money, entice this individual with advances. And this person will be closed off with the Hermit card. They are going to be distancing themselves. Even if they're present around these individuals, they are going to be emotionally distant. Maybe in the past, this individual was in awe of the attention and validation they were getting from others, including yourself. And it's not fun anymore because you're not around. This person has fallen in love with you. And it took for this actual situation to play out for them to realize this. And because of this, this individual is going to put a stop and block to anyone that wants to get close, because the only person that they want to get close to is you. But they feel like a cycle's been closed, and they also feel as if they are not going to get a second chance. So people are going to start noticing that this person is not as forthcoming as they were before. You know, people will start noticing that this person is more detached. They could be isolating from others. You know, they could be quiet when they're around others, not their usual bubbly self. Even if they appear to be jovial, etc., there's an energy of sensing that this person is missing you. And people will feel a sense of distance, not knowing how to connect with this person that you're inquiring about. And they're going to link it back to you. They're going to link it back to the fact that this person is fixated on you, obsessed with you. Because some of these individuals felt like getting you out of the picture would lead to them having an opportunity with this individual that you're with. Now, you could be connecting to someone that is in the public eye or extremely powerful, extremely popular, you know, very well sought after. So there was a lot of interferences, maybe from, you know, friends, maybe from family members, maybe from work, you know, please take what resonates. Maybe this person is a father, maybe this person is a mother, they have children, they're busy. But people will realize that even without you in the picture, this person still yearns for you. They're still fixated on you. and it's going to make other people feel